Hey everyone, welcome back to another Python class. Today we are going to learn something very useful, file handling and exception handling in Python. Now you might be thinking, what are these big words? Don't worry, I will explain everything in a simple step by step. So relax, grab a cup of tea and let's start to learn it together. Uh, Let me open my VS Code first and create a folder named file handling. And create a file named fast.py. Here we need to first understand what is file handling. So file handling simply means reading from files and writing to files using Python. For example, you can store any your notes, marks, or any data inside a text file, and Python can read it or update it for you. Let's see how. Here I opened a file named myfile.txt in write mode using W. W stands for writing mode. If the file doesn't exist, Python will create it automatically. You can see in file handling folder there is no myfile.txt file. Then I used write. You can see dot write to put some text inside it. And finally I closed it. Always remember to close your file. It's like shutting the door after using a room. Let's run it. You can see there is no myfile.txt in the file handling folder, but when I run it, uh, let me run it. Yes, it's working. Myfile.txt, let it is here. Myfile.txt is created, and here it written, hello everyone, this is Jaga and welcome to my YouTube channel. So that's it. That is the writing mode. uh, let's a second example, reading from the file. Let me for reading uh, for the reading, let write in the same file. No need to create another file. Super simple, super easy. So easy, right? So I write here. Okay. If you want to add uh, if you want to read, you need to change the W mode to read mode, and instead of write, I just need to write here file the read. Instead of write, I need to file the read and nothing inside the else. Let's store it in a variable named content. That's it. Super simple, super easy, no big deal. And let's print that content. Remember, you always need to close the file. It is very good practice in Python. In hands-on experience, it is good. Now we are reading the file using R mode, which stands for read. The read function gives all the text inside the file. Uh, Let me run it and see what is the output. The output is same. Hello everyone, this is Jaga and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is inside the main file the text. Let me show you one magic. Okay, right here, like that. Uh, 5. Let me run it. You can see it give only the hello, which is 5 letters. So inside it, you can pass anything. If I pass 10, it can give uh, something going wrong. Write the 10 and run it. Yes, hello ever. everyone if what is everyone clearly we need to another unit means that is 14. It gives hello everyone. That's it. So let's create another. If you want to add something now to an existing file, the file is read hello everyone, this is Jaga, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is already in my file the txt. Let's say I want to append something. For append something we need to convert it to append method, and nothing to change. It's like a writing mode, but it just append. uh, Welcome to my YouTube channel and subscribe and like please. That's it. Again, if I run it, it don't give anything here, but in file.txt here, see, subscribe and like please. So if you want add something new to an existing file without removing old content, uh, use a mode, which means append. This will add the new text file at the end of the file. That's it. Let's, if you don't want to close the file, let's show you a magic keyword. Its name is with. I will explain it. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Super simple, super easy. My file.txt. Let's reading mode as file. Let's store it in a variable file that read print content. That's it. Uh, Everything is okay. Seems good enough. Let's run it. Hello everyone, this is Jaga and welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and like please. Uh, this is the most professional way to handle files in Python. Using with open automatically closes the file after reading or writing, even if something goes wrong. So you don't need to manually call close nice and clean. So it's nice. And that's it. Okay, friends. A quick recap before we move ahead. Uh, you will see W for write, R for read, and A for append. When you write W here, you need to write here file dot write. When you here write something, that's it. It didn't. I don't need to close it. And when you want to append, write here A, and the function is also same file dot write. It will append on the existing file. And if you use with open, automatically manage closing the file. Now let's move to another important part. It is exception handling. Let's create another file name second.py. Trust me, it's not a, very dangerous part or very confusing. Uh, so let's go ahead. Uh, Eventually, we'll learn how much easy it is. So tell me, friends, have you ever seen your Python program suddenly stop and show a big red error message? Let me show an error here. If I write read here, file that read, what I say is this an type error because type wrong here. If I raise only hello type error. But if I raise a k value error, I give a wrong value. So that's it. Yeah, that's what we call an exception. Exception are just runtime error, like trying to divide by zero or open a file that doesn't exist. But don't worry, Python gives us a smart way to handle them using try and except blocks. Simple try and except. Let's create a simple function, a simple program with try and except. Let's num equal to int input, enter a number. I'll show you. Print 10 by num. That's it. It is try. It need a except uh, except if it doesn't happen, then the except mode is automatically called. Print. Oh, something went wrong. Here, the code inside try run fast. If it doesn't work, then except run. If something goes wrong, like dividing by zero or entering a wrong input, the except block will run instead of crashing the program. So the program stays safe and user friendly. Let another example. Let's run it first. Okay. When you say enter a number, let's clear it. Control C, clear everything, and run it again. Alright, number. If I write here 4, it is okay because we can divide the 10 in 4. But what if I write here 5 with the string format? Yes, it's give off something went wrong. It didn't convert the uh, 5 into integer. So what happened if you didn't give if you don't give the except and try? Is there an error? Let's Python as a language. It really need an better in it. So when I run here, I write here if there is no exception handling, it give value error because invalid result for int with base 10. Okay, that's it. Uh, this one is even better. If we write there try and except method, like try, give indentation and say hey, write it if the program going to crash. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, that's it. Uh, so that's it. Let show you a second example. Uh, let get another code. Write another code. Specific exception type. Like when you see here value error, it is a uh, special exception type. Now create a specific exception. I want to like here it write invalid it'll for int with base 10. So what will I do if I want to write here, oh, something went wrong in value error? So let's create here also same thing, int input print 10 divided by num, and that's it. My code is very smart. Let's I want to get my own error first. It's okay, we can write here value error, but I want to give my specific error type except uh, 0 divide error, like division error. Print you can divide by 0, okay, except value error. Print, please enter a valid number, please enter a valid integer, valid number. So that's it. Let's run it and see what happened. It asked for a number. Let 10. It did. It don't give an error. It didn't give an error. So let's clear first. Okay. Uh, Again run it and right here a number which is value error. Now see, please enter a valid number only when in first program where you see there is a value error and uh, it shows that something iterator like that. Okay, what happen if I give here 0? You can divide by 0. What happen if I give you here something like that's it? Please enter a valid number only. Okay, so that's it. We can create our specific. This one is even better. We can get specific types of error like zero division error, value error, so it can show a better message to the user depending on what went wrong. So pretty cool, right? Now get another. Now we can use here if another keyword which is finally. So let's create first here open sample.txt content file that read. That's okay. I don't want to print something. Let in except I write a specific error that file found error. That's it. And please check file not found. Please check the file path or file name. That's it. Except I don't write it. Oh, let me go direct to the finally. Let's finally here, and that's it. Uh, and finally want to print direct. So thank you. So when you write finally, uh, either the code is execute or not, the except is run or not, the final is always uh, execute. So that's it. uh, let's write here thank you for using the program. So that's it. Pretty good. That's it. That's okay. So the final block always runs no matter what happens. So let's run it. You can see it says file not found. Please check the file name, but the final is execute. But what happened if I write here my file the txt? It read it. Yes, it read it, but I don't print here, so I didn't print. So now it print. Hello everyone, this is Jaga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and like, please. But the program, thank you for using the program. It always run, no matter what happens. It's like saying thank you even if something failed. It's often used to close files or clean up things safely. So let's combine file with exception handling. Uh, like try open on the text as file. It's as I say, it is with open is the best practice, and usually the coders use that way. Data equal to file read. That's okay. Now I want to print the data. Okay, I can write here instead of content, write data and give it proper indentation and remove the gap except here file not found error, file not found. That's okay. That's it. That's okay. uh, we don't need to write finally as the code is automatically closed with open keyword. So here's how the both works together. If the file exists, Python will read it, but if not, our program will print a friendly message instead of crashing with an ugly red error. So when you run it, you can see there is no red error. It is just showing I know your code is working fine. uh, you handle it with except file not found error. So uh, here, instead of crashing with an ugly red error, we can show them with except file not found error. So that's it. So finally, all right friends, let's wrap it up. uh, File handling, uh, let's us read, uh, write and append data to files. Exception handling helps us to catch error and keep our program running smoothly. Always use try, except, and sometimes finally. And for files, always prefer with open. We don't need to write finally. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning this with me. Don't forget to try these examples yourself because practice makes you perfect in Python. Thanks for watching. See you next session, my friends. So let's catch up in